Hello everyone, I'm Allison Shaw. Thank you for watching this video. If you watch it till the end, I'll show you how to get a free introductory video course. This isn't just another meditation course. It's a course developed by Giovanni Dienstmann, who is one of the top meditation coaches worldwide. So watch till the end and get access to this worldwide accredited video course. What about the healing power of meditation and discovering tranquility amidst chronic fatigue syndrome? Well, let's hear what the experts have to say about it. Living with chronic fatigue syndrome, or CFS, poses significant challenges. The relentless fatigue, accompanied by muscle pain and a myriad of other symptoms, can impede even the simplest daily activities. However, amidst the struggle, one tool stands out as particularly promising: meditation. For many individuals, meditation serves as a transformative practice, offering a means to effectively manage CFS symptoms and regain a sense of control over their lives. Here's a closer look at why meditation holds such potential. First and foremost, meditation serves as a formidable ally in the battle against stress and anxiety, common triggers for CFS symptoms. By immersing oneself in the present moment and releasing worries, meditation actively diminishes the production of stress hormones such as adrenaline and cortisol, fostering a state of relaxation and tranquility. Moreover, sleep disturbances often plague those with CFS, exacerbating their fatigue. As a therapist, I've witnessed numerous clients grappling with chronic insomnia. However, many have reported significant improvements in sleep quality after incorporating meditation into their bedtime routine. By calming the mind and inducing relaxation, meditation facilitates easier sleep onset and enhances the depth of restorative sleep, leading to more energized awakenings. Furthermore, meditation acts as a potent energy booster. By alleviating mental and physical exhaustion through its calming effects, meditation serves as a rejuvenating tonic for the weary soul. It acts as a reset button for the mind, fostering mental clarity and enhancing focus, thereby enhancing productivity and overall vitality. Additionally, beyond its physiological benefits, meditation contributes to an enhanced sense of well-being. By mitigating stress and fostering inner peace, meditation uplifts mood and cultivates a profound sense of contentment. It serves as a sacred sanctuary where individuals can retreat to reconnect with themselves, fostering self-awareness and inner harmony. In light of these compelling benefits, integrating meditation into one's routine presents a promising avenue for managing the challenges of chronic fatigue syndrome. While it may not serve as a cure, meditation represents a powerful tool for alleviating symptoms and enhancing overall quality of life. I encourage those grappling with CFS to explore meditation and experience firsthand its transformative potential. You may be surprised by the profound difference it can make in your journey towards wellness and tranquility. I hope this short video encourages you to consider meditation if you suffer from chronic fatigue syndrome. It's certainly worth a try, especially when you consider that there is no downside and a whole lot of benefits. You owe it to yourself to personally look into it and find out for yourself. Cheers! Hello everyone, it's Allison again. I'm glad you stuck around till the end of our video. To get access to the course I promised, simply click on the link in the description box below this video. While your focus is down there, please help spread the word on Giovanni's coaching by subscribing and liking this video. Best of luck with your free course and thank you for your time.